Welcome to Fairy Frills, where every dress begins with a dream. Born in India, made for magical childhoods, Fairy Frills brings you premium kidswear and mother-daughter outfits that spark joy, elegance, and everlasting memories. From themed birthday gowns to dreamy, everyday twirls, we design each piece to celebrate her unique spark. Whether it's her first step or her first party, Fairy Frills is here to dress every moment in magic. What makes Fairy Frills truly unique? Every outfit is powered by smart AI and designed to understand your child's size, occasion, and style preferences. Our intelligent system recommends the perfect fit, the right colors, and the softest fabrics, ensuring every piece is tailored just for her. Because your little one deserves more than just a dress, she deserves a perfect fit every single time. Curious how it will look? Experience the future of kidswear with our virtual try-on. Just scan, upload, and preview the magic. Our AI overlays the dress onto your child's image, letting you see how it flows before you even place an order. It's simple, seamless, and surprisingly delightful. Ordering your favorite outfit is just a tap away. Visit us at fairyfrills.in or DM us directly on Instagram at fairyfrillsai. We'll help you pick the right design, share styling tips, and ensure a smooth, joyful shopping experience. Because comfort matters most, all our dresses are made from breathable, soft, and skin-safe materials. No rashes, no rough stitching, just gentle, high-quality fabrics that your child will love to wear. Every Fairy Frills outfit is crafted to keep her smiling, inside and out. Fairy Frills. Personalized by technology, crafted with care, and made for magical memories.